everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got a different kind of video for you. I'm going to show you a couple of old builds that I've had since the late 70s. And these here are a couple of vans that were previously built by me back in the day. And you might recognize them from the very first video that I did in introducing the channel. So I'm going to take these out of these bags now. They've been in these bags since somewhere in the 1980s. So they're a bit dusty. And they've been sitting around. I packed them up before I left home, basically. And they've been in these bags ever since. Let me go ahead and there's a few parts in there. I don't even know what they're for anymore. Like, I have no idea what this is. It's a little diamond pattern and a square of some sort. What I did with this one, I've since removed it, but this was a standard 1977 Chevy van, I believe. And I turned it into a mid-engine. And at the time, when I was little, I put a small Ziploc bag in there and filled it with water and made a waterbed out of it. Thought I was pretty ingenious back in the day, right? I also cut out the roof to give it a sunroof. There inside you can see a what appears to be a big black 454 or 427. I'm not quite sure. I don't remember. The seats have come loose. The windshield is missing. There's the front end of it. Again, the bottom. You have to excuse the paint. Like I said, it was 1977. I was a bit younger then. Oh boy. Had the round portal windows. Those were cool. Bumper's missing. I have no idea where that's at. And like I said, it's a bit dusty. It could use a good cleaning. So that's that one. It's got the plush faux shag carpet all the way around, right? In yellow. Pretty crazy stuff. And then I also have this one here. Now the blue one I believe is the one that's called the candy van. Okay? Or sorry about that, guys. I don't know what happened. The camera just cut off on me. Like I was saying, I don't remember now if the blue one or the red one are the actual candy van. And this one came out, well, it's from the AMT Corporation, Troy, Michigan. And I don't remember if this one came out in 76 or 77. But the two are so similar that I don't know that there's a difference other than the rear bumper. Excuse me. The one that's missing on the blue one, I think, is that one. So I'm going to say that the blue one was the candy van. That's just a guess. I'm going to go ahead and take out the red one here. Easier said than done. Alright, I lost the wheel. So this one, well, the wheels are falling apart. The old glue is drying up on her. Didn't do much detail on the bottom of that one. And this one had the two-piece wheels, which I am not a fan of, as you can see. This is why. But I always like that Halloween kind of theme decal there. I think I got them on both sides. Yep, got them on both sides. Got the portal window with the glass still in them. Obviously, I didn't cut this one up like I did the blue one. Not a whole lot you can see from this one. There's an engine in it in the correct position where it goes standard from the factory. And this one says AMT. I'll grab the old magnifying glass here. Geez, I can't even read it. AMT 808 on the license plate. I don't know if that'll help me distinguish which is which. And this one has no license plate on it. Just thought those are kind of cool. A little blast from the past, if you will. And they're both they both appear to be the exact same model, but I think they came in two different two different boxes. They were two different, branded as two different kits, I guess is what I'm trying to say. One obviously was the candy van, and I don't remember what the other one was called. The name Vantastic sticks in my head, but I don't think that was the kit. I guess I'll have to go to Scalemates and check out the listings on there. Maybe it'll be in there somewhere. Alrighty, well, that was all. Wanted to share that with you, and just some of the kind of crazy things I did back in, you know, the old days, if you will. So I hope you're all having a great day. Thank you all for stopping by. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you would. Help grow this channel for me. I appreciate it. If you know, if you see something that you'd like me to talk about or do a video on, let me know. I'll gladly do it. And that's about it. Wish you all a great day, and as always, keep on modeling.